Hi everybody, I am going to discuss multimedia top 10 probable question, that is sure question, top 10 sure questions. Next question, what do you mean by immersive and non-immersive behavior? Immersive behavior is a realization simulation that enable user to interact with 3D virtual environment by special devices. Immersive and non-immersive is based on general display devices. It is less interactive. It is based on single display that provide computer generated content. Non-immersive transmit the same image for both user eyes. There is no VR headset. When we play video games, we use TV and there is a console to interact with the game. It provides computer-based environment. তো বিয়ার ইমিউসিভ বিয়ার মিন হচ্ছে যেখানে সিমুলেশন করতে পারি 3D ভার্চুয়াল এনভায়রনমেন্ট আছে নন ইমিউসিভ মিন জেনারেল ডিসপ্লে ডিভাইসেস less interactivity based on single display provide a computer generated content. So we can when we play video game we use TV and there is a console to interact with the game. So VR it provides computer based environment, VR headset, monitor, the program, real feeling environment, computer based animations. So immersive and non-immersive, these basic differences. Here there is in immersive devices we need VR headset. Non-immersive we need monitor with programs. In immersive real feeling environment, it does not provide real feeling. It is computer based animation. It is more interactive. It is less interactive. So these are the basic differences between immersive VR and non-immersive. Non-immersive mean computer based devices. Next, what do you mean animation? Different types of animation. Animation is a method in which pictures are manipulated to appear as moving. There is traditional animation known as cel animation and handwriting animation, stop motion animation, motion graphics, computer animations, etc. In traditional animation, cel animation is based on traditional animation where changes that occur from one frame to another to give the illusion to a movement. All the frame in the animation drawn by hand. Cells come from the word celluloid and the transparent sheet of material which was used to draw images and place them in a stationary background. Path animation moves an object along the predetermined path on the screen by path with line or any number of curves. Path animation moves an object along the predefined path on the screen. The path could be straight line or any other curves. Next question is difference between 2D and 3D animation. 2D animation consists of characters or object in two-dimensional. 3D animation is based on three-dimensional views of the object. 2D animation has the height and width x and y dimension. 3D dimension based on height, width, depth. In third difference, it is based on traditional drawing method. Each move of the character is created by frame. In 3D animation, everything is done by computer software. Several steps are modeling, texturing, lightening, rigging, rendering are done. 2D animation is all about frames. 3D animation is all about movement. 2D animation is less expensive. It is more expensive. Short note on keyframe. Keyframe is a frame where we define changes in animation. Every frame is a keyframe. Keyframe are important frames during which an object changes size, direction, shape, where we define changes in animation everywhere is a keyframe. Keyframe are important frames during which an object changes size, direction, shape, and other properties. The computer then figure out all. এখানে ডায়াগ্রাম দেখতে পাচ্ছি ডায়াগ্রামে একটা বল আছে বলটাকে বিভিন্ন ফ্রেমে বানানো হচ্ছে অ্যানিমেশন 0 সেকেন্ড অ্যানিমেশন 1 সেকেন্ড অ্যানিমেশন 2 সেকেন্ড বলটা মুভ হয়ে এক জায়গাতে অন্য জায়গায় চলে আসছে দ্যাট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ কি ফ্রেম মনে হবে যেন ফ্রেমগুলোকে একটা মোশন দিয়ে দিলে বলটা জাম্প হয়ে ওখান থেকে ওখানে চলে আসলো দ্যাট ইজ কি ফ্রেম এগুলো এক একটা কি ফ্রেম বলা হয় কি ফ্রেমগুলোকে ড্রয়িং করার পর আমরা এটাকে একসাথে পরপর এটাকে ভিডিওগ্রাফি করলে এটা অ্যানিমেশন হয়ে যায় নেক্সট শর্ট নোট ইজ মোশন সাইক্লিং ইজ এ সিরিজ অফ ফ্রেম drawn in sequence that look to create an animation of walking characters. Motion cycling is a loop over and over, thus having to avoid each stop again. Thus having to avoid each step again. It is an effective process of making an animation. It is a repetitive technique. Run, walk are implemented for this example. Suppose এখানে একটা মানুষ হাঁটছে এক জায়গায় অন্য জায়গায় মুভ করছে সেটাকে আমি মোশন সাইক্লিং এর থ্রু দিয়ে দেখাতে পারি। তো এটা একটা অ্যানিমেশন টেকনিক যেখানে আমরা সিরিজ অফ সিকোয়েন্সকে একটা পর একটা দেখাতে পারি, ওয়াকিং ক্যারেক্টার, লুপ again and again, thus moving to avoid each steps again. Thus it is an effective process of making the animation. This repeated technique run, work are implemented for this situation. Thank you very much for watching this video. So these are the important question of multimedia technology.